Chai, I am Dr. Jocelyn. Today is our special topic, and listen to my words carefully, because what I'm about to share with you can quietly change the way your body feels, rests, and heals. Have you ever wondered if something as simple as how you sleep at night could actually improve your health, balance your hormones, and even boost your performance as a man? It sounds almost too simple, right? But stay with me because the science here is eye opening. For years, I've helped men over 40 and 50 reclaim their strength, confidence, and energy. And today we're talking about something unexpected yet incredibly powerful. It starts with your pajamas, or more precisely, the choice not to wear them. You might feel skeptical, and that's a good thing. By the end of this, you'll understand why sleeping naked is one of the simplest, cost free habits that can transform your sleep, your hormones, your circulation, and even your sense of intimacy with life itself. Before we go deeper, do me a small favor. Leave a comment with where you're watching from. Tap the like button if you're ready to learn something most men never hear in a clinic. And if you want honest, evidence based guidance for men's health, make sure you're subscribed. Most men over 50 believe their health problems require big solutions: injections, strict diets, expensive supplements. But the truth is, some of the most powerful changes come from small daily choices. What you wear to bed or don't wear may seem trivial. Biologically, it isn't. It affects your body temperature, your hormones, your blood flow, and even how your brain signals recovery and desire. Feeling tired, restless, or off your game isn't just about aging. Often, it's your environment working against your biology. One of the easiest fixes is letting your body sleep naturally, skin to sheets. Over the years, I've worked with hundreds of men over 40 and 50. They come in worried about poor sleep, fading energy, low drive, and struggles with intimacy. We talk about hormones, medications, and diet, of course. But I've been surprised by how often small lifestyle changes create the biggest breakthroughs. One of those changes is sleeping naked. It isn't a gimmick, it's biology. And once men understand what's happening inside their bodies, they're amazed at how much can shift just by shedding layers at night. So let's begin with the first benefit: temperature and sleep quality. Your body has a natural rhythm. At night, your core temperature drops so you can enter deep, restorative sleep. As that temperature falls, your brain releases melatonin, the hormone that tells your body it's time to rest. But when you're wrapped in heavy pajamas, tight underwear, or synthetic fabric, your body struggles to cool down. Instead of drifting into deep sleep, you toss, turn, and wake up at odd hours. Biologically, blocked cooling means blocked melatonin. That leads to lighter sleep, less recovery, and mornings that feel heavy for no clear reason. When your sleep stays shallow, it quietly steals from every part of you. Your memory dulls, your mood shifts, your muscles repair more slowly, and yes, your sexual health takes a hit. You may wake up feeling older than you really are, when in truth, your body just never reached the deep stages it needed to restore itself. Now, here's something most men are never told. Temperature matters even more in the groin area. Your testicles are designed to stay slightly cooler than the rest of your body. That cooler environment is essential for healthy testosterone production and proper function. When you sleep in tight underwear or thick pajamas, heat gets trapped. Over time, that extra warmth interferes with hormone balance and tissue health. Even if fertility is no longer your concern, testosterone absolutely is. It drives your energy, your motivation, your muscle strength, and your confidence. It influences how alive you feel when you wake up in the morning. Sleeping naked gives your body permission to do what it was naturally built to do: cool down, reset, and rebuild while you rest. Now let's move into the second benefit: hormonal balance. We all know testosterone declines with age. That part is natural. But what most men don't realize is how much lifestyle accelerates that decline. Poor sleep, chronic stress, and excess heat send the wrong message to your body. Instead of supporting testosterone, your system increases cortisol, the stress hormone. Cortisol is a quiet thief. It drains your energy. It fragments your sleep. It dulls desire. It interferes with erections. And it does this so slowly that many men don't notice until the damage feels personal. They start thinking something is wrong with them, when in reality, their body has just been stuck in a stress pattern for too long. Here's the good news: sleeping naked reduces that stress signal. By improving cooling and sleep depth, it creates the right conditions for your body to restore hormonal balance. Most of a man's daily testosterone is produced during deep sleep, especially in the first few hours of the night. When your body can enter that state, you are literally allowing your hormones to reset. Biologically, deeper sleep supports testosterone. Emotionally, you feel clearer and steadier. Practically, you begin to notice small changes. You wake with more energy. Your focus sharpens. Your drive slowly returns. These shifts may feel subtle at first, but they build. This is not about chasing youth. It's about giving your body the environment it needs to function the way it was designed to, even after 40 and 50. You are not broken. Your system still knows how to restore itself when you stop working against it. Now let's talk about the third benefit, circulation and performance. This is something every man over 40 cares about, whether he says it out loud or not. Blood flow is life. It delivers oxygen, feeds your muscles, sharpens your mind, and powers your most intimate moments. An erection is a circulatory event. If blood flow weakens, performance suffers, often years before heart disease or high blood pressure is ever diagnosed. Think of this area of the body as an early warning system. When circulation starts to decline, it usually shows up here first. Now imagine what happens when night after night you sleep in tight clothing. Fabric presses against sensitive tissue. Heat builds. Blood vessels remain slightly constricted. Oxygen delivery is reduced. Over time, this creates stress in places that depend on free, healthy flow. Sensitivity fades, response slows, confidence begins to shake. Sleeping naked removes those barriers. It allows vessels to relax. Circulation improves. Oxygen reaches tissue more freely. Biologically, healthier blood flow supports a stronger vascular system. Emotionally, confidence returns when your body responds the way you remember it should. Practically, many men notice healthier morning erections, which are not just about intimacy, but a real sign of overall vascular health. There is also something powerful here that goes beyond biology. For men who share a bed with a partner, sleeping naked increases skin-to-skin contact. That contact releases oxytocin, the bonding hormone. It lowers stress. It deepens connection. It quietly rebuilds closeness that may have faded over the years. And if you sleep alone, this practice is still meaningful. Sleeping naked becomes an act of self-respect. It says, "This is my body. I honor it. I am still strong. I deserve to feel comfortable in my own skin." That mindset matters. The way you treat your body at night shapes how you feel about yourself during the day. So how do you begin? Start gently. If full nudity feels uncomfortable, loosen your waistband or sleep under just a light sheet. Let your body adjust. Create a calm routine, a warm shower before bed, clean sheets, soft light, quiet music. Turn it into a ritual of care, not just a habit. Pay attention to how your body responds. Notice your sleep. Notice your energy in the morning. Notice how your mood shifts. Stay consistent. Like any healthy change, the benefits compound over time. The more nights you give your body freedom, the stronger the effects become. This is not about perfection. It is about alignment. You are giving your body the message that it is safe to rest, safe to recover, and safe to restore itself. I want to speak to you directly now. Your body is not broken. You are not past your prime. You are human, and your body still knows how to heal, reset, and thrive. Sleeping naked will not solve every problem in your life, but it is a small, powerful way of saying, "I respect my body enough to give it what it needs." That simple shift can ripple outward. Better rest, calmer nerves, stronger circulation, deeper connection. It begins quietly, in the dark, when no one is watching. And that is often where real change starts. Tonight, when you prepare for bed, pause for a moment and ask yourself, what if the simplest step toward better health is just giving my body space to breathe? It may feel awkward at first. Most meaningful changes do, but soon it begins to feel like freedom. Many men spend years searching for complicated answers, new pills, new programs, new promises, yet the body is wise. It responds quickly when you stop placing obstacles in its path. By letting your skin meet the sheets, you are working with your biology instead of against it. Better sleep allows your brain to reset. Cooling allows your hormones to balance. Freedom allows your circulation to restore. And confidence grows when your body begins to respond again. These are not dramatic overnight miracles. They are quiet improvements that accumulate night after night. You deserve to wake up feeling rested. You deserve to feel clear in your mind and steady in your body. You deserve to feel connected to yourself. Age is not the end of vitality. It is simply a new chapter that asks for wiser choices. Small habits shape big outcomes. This one costs nothing. It requires no equipment, no prescriptions, just a willingness to try something different for the sake of your health. If these words resonate with you, let them stay with you tonight. Turn off the noise. Step into bed. Give your body the message that it is allowed to relax, cool, and recover. You are not too old. You are not too late. Your best nights of rest, strength, and connection can still be ahead of you. Every evening is another chance to care for yourself in a way that truly matters. Take that chance. Your body has been waiting for it.